Welcome to our newest listing in Waterfall Country Estate. My name is Joelle and I'm from Luxlive Properties, and today I am in gate 2 and I'm very excited to be showing you this property. This property offers 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, multiple living areas. You've got backup water, backup power, which is obviously not even a luxury anymore, and it's just a really nice family home. Please come inside so I can show you around. So as you enter the property, you're greeted by the most beautiful entrance hall. You've got double volume ceilings, you've got a beautiful chandelier. You can obviously have like a welcome area over here. You can even have a nice bunch of flowers, bring in some color. Really, really nice, and it obviously shows you what you can expect in the rest of the home. And then immediately to your left, as you come in, you will see that you've got a formal lounge. You could obviously use it as a TV lounge if you wanted to, but the way they've set it up is that it's your formal lounge. Nice and big. You've got the nice wood fireplace over here, which will obviously keep the room nice and warm in winter. You've got your roller blinds, which obviously helps for privacy. And this opens up to your covered patio. So you've got access from here, as well as access from the other lounge, as well as from your dining room, which we'll see as we go around. Really nice, clean, neat. Just, you can move in, you can make it your own. So your double garage with access into the house. You've also got central vacuum. And we are now in the dining room, which is next to the kitchen. So situated very nicely. Again, you've got these extremely high ceilings, another chandelier over here. It's got the stack doors and it's next to the kitchen, which obviously makes a lot of sense. What's really nice about this house is you've got the space for the bar stools. So you've got your little breakfast nook over here, so you can give your children breakfast in the morning, or you can have breakfast in the morning. What's also quite nice is we discovered that there's a cupboard that opens up and you can display all your glasses over there. So that's quite nice. And beautiful countertops. It's sort of like a matte finish. You've got the touches of grey, gold in here, golden grey, very pretty. Very clinical looking kitchen, and it's very neat. And what I think makes it quite nice is the fact that it's open plan. So if you're standing busy cooking, you can still be part of the family. You're not stuck in a kitchen alone. Smeg stove, you've got gas and electric. And again, just to mention, you've got backup power, so you don't have to worry about electricity. You've got your pop-up extractor over here. Every time I usually touch those things, they actually start popping up. And then you've also got another oven microwave over here. So that's already been built in. Nice white clean kitchen, and it's nice and spacious. And then you've got your separate scullery, which you can actually come and have a look at because it's perfection. Usually we keep you out of the scullery, but this time you can come inside. Space for your appliances. Really nice and neat. You've also got a staff room with a separate bathroom. It's also extremely neat. This home is move-in ready. You just need to pack your furniture and come. I also love these lights that are above the breakfast nook area, really nice. You've also got your prep bowl over here. So I think let's go outside and have a look, and then we will do the rest of the downstairs area, because outside is obviously always one of the really nice areas to see. So stack doors over here, so you can bring in that indoor-outdoor feeling. They've obviously put nice outside patio furniture over here. They've put a braai. There's no built-in braai, so you can have like a freestanding braai. You've also got speakers, so if you want to listen to music throughout the house, you can do that, which is lovely. And the pool is really nice. You've also got a jacuzzi section, or even if it's small kids, they can play in this part of the pool. Nice size pool and beautiful views. And your garden runs towards the front of your house, and you've also got some garden space at the back of the house. This is a really nice entertainment space. I can just imagine sitting here watching the sunset with all your family and friends. Really, really nice. Very established garden. You've got this plant that looks like lavender, but I know it's not lavender. I sell houses, I don't know much about plants. Let's go and have a look at the back of the garden, because there's garden space there as well. So if you do have animals or you've got kids, they do have space to play. So you've still got a lot of garden space at the back of the property, and as I mentioned, you've got a borehole and it filters through into the house, so you'll never have issues with water if there are any water issues. So that is the outside area, really nice. You're situated in a nice quiet street as well, which obviously is always very nice. And we are now going to go and have a look at the guest bedroom. So there are 4 bedrooms in the house, 1 downstairs and 3 upstairs. So let's go and have a look at the guest bedroom as well as the TV lounge, and then we'll head upstairs. Bedroom number 1, which is obviously for visitors or older kids. Nice and spacious. You can see the room is nice and big. And when we walked around and you saw the back garden, you would have seen like a little covered patio over here. So this bedroom actually opens up to a covered patio. So if you have visitors, they can even come and go as they please. They can use this door. They don't even have to go through the house. So you've got air conditioning as well, lots of cupboard space. You won't have any problems. And then you've got your ensuite on your left-hand side. I love the tiles, and I love the fact that it's also a full ensuite, a bathroom. Look at this beautiful freestanding bath. They kind of made the bathroom look very classical, but obviously it's still very modern. Really, really nice with the black and white tiles. So that was your first bedroom. And your other 3 bedrooms are upstairs, which we will go and have a look at. Guest toilet situated, tucked away nicely, so it's not in your space, but it's there if you need it. And then you've got your TV lounge over here. Again, you can change it up. You can obviously make that your TV lounge, the formal, the one that we saw first. You can make this a formal lounge, whatever works for you. But this makes sense, it's tucked away. It would make quite a nice TV lounge. So that is the downstairs area. Please can we go upstairs so we can go and have a look. So as you come upstairs, you'll see you've got the marble looking staircase with the black tiles, really pretty. You've got the strip lighting, which obviously looks very nice, but obviously it helps you at night so you can see where you're going. So the upstairs area consists of 3 bedrooms, all ensuite, as well as a pajama lounge. So we will leave the main for last, and we will do the 2 bedrooms on this side so long. Before we look at anything, I just want to ask you, please can you like, share, subscribe, do all those things you guys know how to do, please. And thank you for watching our videos. So this area over here could definitely be used as a study nook area or as a library. You can put shelving up. Very nice area. It's a big space, so naturally it wouldn't just be a passageway. You could definitely use this as a study nook for kids or for if you work from home. And you've got the glass balustrades over here, which you can see down, which is quite nice because when you're downstairs it gives you that light and airy feel because of the high ceilings and the openness. But it's nice from upstairs that you can still see down. You can see your chandelier. Really nice. It's like they've made it like a feature. So we are going to have a look at bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2 consists of a walk-in closet as well as a full ensuite bathroom. Nice tiles, very modern, different to the bathroom that you saw downstairs. And they've obviously made the tiles that sort of give it like that wood look, but obviously it's not wood for your bathroom. But you've got the laminated flooring upstairs, which keeps the space nice and warm and gives it that cozy feeling in the living areas. Air conditioning again. You've also got a balcony here, which has the most beautiful views if you want to come and have a look. I mean, that is magical. Look at those views of Waterfall. There's even still plastic on the doors. I don't think anyone's ever lived in this room before. So that is your second bedroom. They've got 2 big single beds in here, and there's still space for a lounge, and there's still ample space in the room. So nice big bedroom for a child or whoever plans on using the bedroom. So come across our runway bridge so that we can have a look at your 3rd bedroom. And again, it's extremely spacious. I would guess this is a queen size bed. Yes, looks like a queen size bed to me. And again, you've got the balcony, You've got the air conditioning, very similar to the room that we just saw, and also a walk-in closet and a bathroom, which we'll go and have a look at. Stunning views. Lots of cupboard space, and I like that they haven't put the cupboards in the bedrooms. So all the cupboards have been, they've all made like walk-in cupboard areas for your closet, so that you don't see cupboards in the actual bedrooms. And again, full bathroom, so even if you've got small kids, they can go into any bedroom because there's bathtubs everywhere. And you've got the same tiles as the bedroom that we just saw. And again, that wood look on the floor, very nice. Then we are going to go and look at the main bedroom, but before we get to the main bedroom, there are two ways to get there. Either the way where I told you there's a study nook, or alternatively this way. So one of the things that they've done here is this pajama lounge. You can access the bedroom from here, or you can go around and access the bedroom. When we leave, we'll go that way so that you can see both. So this is the pajama lounge. Again, they've, instead of putting walls here, they've put the glass, so it still brings in light. You can see what's happening downstairs. It really just makes a lot of sense. And on this side, again, the floor to ceiling windows, but they frosted it, so you don't see your neighbors, but you still get that light. So it's actually quite clever what they've done here, and you can see that this pajama lounge is very spacious. So if you've got family members in the house and you're not alone, you can close this door, and then you won't see the pajama lounge at all. But if you want it open, then you simply just open this door. So two ways of accessing the main bedroom. This is your main bed, nice and spacious. You've got your air conditioning. Again, you've also got a balcony over here. This home has an extremely warm, homely feel to it. It doesn't feel like cold and industrial. It feels very homely. And welcome to a massive ensuite closet, walk-in closet, sorry. So I don't think the woman will complain that it's not enough, but then again, you never know, us women or something else. So lots of cupboard space, and it literally goes up to the ceiling. So when it's summer, you can throw all your winter stuff up there and change it around. Well, not throw it, because you can see it, so make it neat. And now we are in the ensuite bathroom, double vanity. Again, you've got the freestanding bath. You've got a nice big shower. You can just imagine having a shower in the morning. You've got the seat. And again, now they've used a different tile in here to give the bathroom its own character and its own personality. And it's sort of, again, like a bit of an old school, but they still keep it modern. So loving the blue tiles, just something different. So that is the upstairs area. This home is really nice, very homely. To recap, you've got 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, multiple living areas. Look at this beautiful wood that they've put here, sort of to, well, obviously that you don't fall down, but instead of doing the balustrading, they did something else as a feature, and it also helps for privacy. So if you like the home, please give us a call, and please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.